Welcome to our quick and easy guide on how to verify your account by email on Facebook. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once opened, tap on the three lines menu icon located at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. Next, tap on Account Center, followed by Personal Details, and then Contact Info. To add a new email contact, tap on Add New Contact, and then select Add Email. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Once you have entered your email, tap on Next to complete the verification process. Verifying your account by email is an important step in securing your Facebook account and ensuring that you have access to all of its features. By following these simple steps, you can easily verify your account by email on Facebook and enjoy a more secure and personalized experience on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of your social media accounts.